Hello, we're back at BioEurope Spring Session 2016 here in Sweden, Stockholm, the capital city. I'm Steen Stovall of Informa Pharma Insights and also an editor and writer for our publications Script, The Pink Sheet and In Vivo. I'm joined here by Raymond Monlal. He is the Chief Medical Officer of BeyondSpring Pharmaceuticals. Welcome.
Thank you.
And your company is a clinical stage cancer drug developer.
Yes.
And you've been in your job since October, and you've got a mandate to develop and push things through. Tell us about that.
Yes. So I joined BeyondSpring back in October, and the programs will be built around our main asset that's called Plinabulin, and Plinabulin will be developed as an anti-cancer agent in non-small cell lung cancer initially, but then we will expand into other types of cancers. We had one surprise finding with Plinabulin in phase 2 trials, where Plinabulin showed a tremendous benefit on neutropenia. Neutropenia is a phenomenon that cancer patients have, where they develop low white blood cell counts because of the chemo they receive. It's a serious problem, because neutropenia leads to a high level of mortality, but also morbidity. There's a lot of patients develop infections, sepsis, with hospitalization. So this is a serious and relevant problem for cancer patients, and we had the tremendous advantage that our drug is highly effective in fighting neutropenia.
And this is a small cell. This is a small molecule drug.
This is a small molecule. It's given by IV, and we give it 1 hour after chemo on the same day. Whereas the current market leader is G-CSF, which is a biologic. It's very expensive to make, but it's also highly priced. From a product comparison perspective, we have data to show in 90 patients, 90, that our drug is likely to be more effective than G-CSF in fighting what we call grade 4 neutropenia and febrile neutropenia. But also our drug is remarkably safe.
And it's also a lot less expensive.
And it's a lot less expensive. It's a small molecule. It's very easy and cheap to make. And our strategy will absolutely be, and that's our mission, to offer cost-effective treatments to cancer patients. That is a mission that we have, and the starting point will be with this neutropenia program. We plan to file for regulatory approval next year, so we are fairly close to market.
Are you in phase 3 at the moment?
Yes, we are in phase 3 with neutropenia trials. The trials tend to be very small, around 200 patients, and the duration of follow-up is also very short, typically 3 months, as opposed to sometimes many years with traditional cancer treatments. So we will be in a position end next year to have very robust data to seek approval.
And also perhaps a commercial partner?
Yes. So this drug with this application in neutropenia came to us as a pleasant surprise. We can go to market sooner than we anticipated, and we are not prepared for that. So we clearly will need a marketing partner who can help to distribute and market this drug.
So that would have to be a fairly large company that has a history of that.
That's right. This is going to be a major play. The G-CSF market is around $5 billion, and it could easily increase because G-CSFs are underutilized because of these drugs being so expensive and not very safe. They also have a problem that increasingly is recognized with the pegylated version of G-CSF, and that is bone pain. The bone pain can be so severe that patients often would refuse to take the G-CSF treatment. Our drug, Plinabulin, has bone pain in only 4% of the patients, and with pegylated G-CSF, the estimates are between 30% and 60%, 30 and 60. So we feel we are well positioned, and with a strong partner, I believe we can bring an important treatment to cancer patients.
You're privately held, you're not unlisted, but you're funded enough to do this?
Yes, we are fully funded. We can do all the phase 3 trials. The same drug, Plinabulin, also is in a phase 3 cancer trial in non-small cell lung cancer. That has longer timelines. That will not get to market until 2019. So we are also fully funded for that. But clearly, with the surprise finding of neutropenia benefit, as a company we now have to mature quicker and get organized and get to market quicker. With that comes also that we plan to grow very rapidly. The lung cancer indication currently is a starting point. If the drug is effective in lung cancer, we will then expand to other cancer types. And the same for neutropenia. We will start in one particular indication that's called docetaxel-induced neutropenia, but we will rapidly move also in the next phase 3 trial for neutropenia.
So you've got a very accelerated growth strategy going forward, essentially due to serendipity. This is actually good news for you. Eventually you also want to expand into China, I believe.
That's correct. We have, as a company, very strong ties with China. China we see as a part of our growth strategy, and also it fits in a model that we have to bring cost-effective treatments to cancer patients. China is a growth opportunity, but pricing is going to be an important factor in China as well. In addition to the late-stage assets, we also have early-stage assets in the area of immuno-oncology. And next year we plan to bring one of those assets in the clinic. So the company is growing more rapidly because of the serendipity, but it's a good problem to have.
Sounds like it. Well, good luck, Remo.
Thank you. Thank you.